Hi and welcome to my channel today. I will be showing you a new app that you can use to earn passive income, and the name of the app is Repocket. This app is cool and I also love the design of the app and everything about it. It's easy and you can just use it to earn passive income sharing your internet connection. It's not hard to set up and there's nothing too complicated about it. So first, I will be leaving my link in the description below. When you sign up, you get free $5 bonus for your sign up as a free bonus. So how much can you earn? It depends, and I will also say that your country and the speed of your device also matters. Yes, because some countries will pay better. Some countries data will be more demanded than others, like the US. All those top countries, their data will be more demanded, will be more expensive than other countries. So it depends, but what I know is that the app pays worldwide. So your earning potential depends on many factors: your location, your device type, your speed, internet speed, and your device speed, and so on. The number of devices you use, the number of referred users, and also how your referred users are enjoying the app and using the app. So if you refer someone, before you earn the commission, they will have to reach their $20 and they will have to withdraw before you earn your commission. So according to the site, you can earn $24 per day. Yes, per month. I don't say per day, I'm sorry, per month, by sharing 2 GB per day with your two devices. Like yes, two devices like your phone and your laptop, or if you have two laptops or you have two phones, you can use the two phones on for your account. So you can maximize your income like that, $24 per month. So to earn more, you have to refer others. Maybe you might be asking if your privacy is protected. Well, this app isn't a spammy site, and it doesn't seem, because I really like how it looks and many people are even using it and earning from it. So what I will say now, we have to look at some facts. First, I will have to tell you that your 1 gigabyte data shared worth 20 cents. 1 gigabyte data shared worth 20 cents. So you can say that can you use VPN? So for VPN users, you won't be allowed to use VPN. Once you switch on your VPN, the app will be paused and will stop. Your earning will be paused too. So you won't use VPN, and they can even ban your IP address if you violate their policies. They can ban your IP address. I don't know what type of policy is that, but I don't know. So it is a worldwide app, but those who are in North Korea, Cuba, Iran, Syria, and Venezuela can't use the app. Yes, so they can't use the app, but it's a worldwide app. So if you are in one of these countries, you can't use the app. So you can use your Wi-Fi or your phone. What is your their payment methods? Let's check their payment methods. It's PayPal and more. They can even update their payment methods as time goes on, so that won't be problem. One thing I want to show you again is their minimum withdrawal. Yes, I think it also matters. So the minimum withdrawal amount is $20. So once you reach your $20 you can request payout. So what do I want to say again? I also want to add devices. So you can earn and download the app on each of these devices. Yes, on Windows, Docker, Linux, Mac, iOS, and Android, and so on. So if you have it, you can use the app on each of these devices, which is cool. And they have multiple devices that you can use also. So what next? I don't think there should be anything next. Do you like the app? If you love the app, please give me a thumbs up. I really deserve it. I mean, thank you. So have a nice day and remain blessed.